How to fix Telegram code not sending issue on iPhone. Start by checking your cellular data settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on Cellular, and make sure the switch next to Cellular Data is turned on. Then, tap on Cellular Data Options and ensure that data roaming is also enabled. Now head back to the Telegram app and try requesting the verification code again. If the code still doesn't arrive, try adjusting your iMessage settings. Go back into the Settings app, scroll down, tap on Apps, and then find and open Messages. Now, turn off the toggle next to iMessage, wait for about a minute, and then turn it back on. Return to Telegram and attempt to get the code once more. If that still doesn't help, try disabling message filtering. Open Settings, scroll to Apps, and open Messages again. Scroll down to find message filtering, tap on Unknown and Spam, and turn off the toggle for Filter Unknown Senders. Now go back to Telegram and see if the code sends. If it's still not working, try using a VPN. Open Settings, find VPN, and turn on the toggle next to it. Once you're connected, return to Telegram and request the code again. Still no luck? Then try uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram. Tap and hold the Telegram app icon until a menu appears. Tap Remove App, then select Delete App and confirm by tapping Delete once more. Now open the App Store, type Telegram into the search bar, and search. When you find the app, tap the download icon, cloud with an arrow, to reinstall. Once it's installed, tap Open and follow the on-screen steps to log into your account. You should now be able to receive your verification code, and that's it.